Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this solar flood light with sensor. So come on, let's get unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the solar light, this is the solar panel. They give you some batteries, bolting, mounting bracket, manual, another bracket, and you get a remote control as well. You got on, off, flash, timer, logo, auto, and some other modes here as well. So we take a look at the back panel. So you can pause the video for more specs. And to connect it, it's very simple. It's just a plug and play. So the solar light just directly plugs right into the solar panel. There's no wiring. So check it out, guys. It's already powering the battery that's in the light. So even though it's not outside, it's still getting some light from our window and it's powering. So that's a good sign that this is a very good solar panel. Panels that don't do this, some panels only work in the sunlight or really bright light. The really good panels actually charge during most light, even though it's getting towards evening. So take this piece down here and thread this on, make the connection tight. All right guys, so it's daylight in here. Are you guys ready to turn on the world? All right, here we go. On. Okay, there we go. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Look how bright this is. And it's daytime. Oh my goodness. That is insane how bright that is. And look at this. It's like a massive spotlight. So this is going to be great outside for a garage, for security and more. So as you can see now, it went dim because it's a motion sensor. So if we set it over here, it'll go dim, and then once it picks up motion, it turns full brightness. So it stays on, but it just gets dimmer. All right, so you guys see how it's dim? So it even picked our movement up from the side. That's awesome. This is a really nice unit here. You can set it for auto. So it flashes a couple times just to let you know that, the settings has changed. You can set it on flash. All right, so here we go. So you guys can see the light here. So you can turn that on and off by pressing. So there you go, you got it on flash. So that would all be with the motion. So that would all go up with your motion sensor. You can press the flash button again and it stays on. Press it again and it goes off. You have logo, so you can see that it lights up the logo, or you can have it off. Yeah, so you just got all these different settings that you guys can check out. So let's show you guys some settings here. All right, so what the 6+6 means, it's 6 hours of full brightness, then motion sensor mode for 6 hours. 2+2 is 2 hours of full brightness, then 2 hours of motion sensor mode. 4+8 is 4 hours of full brightness, 8 hours of motion sensor. 4+4, you guys get the so 4+4 actually, yeah, 4 hours and 4 hours. So you kind of get the idea there. 6 hours is 6 hours of full brightness. 8 hours is 8 hours of full brightness, and then you got automatic mode. And that. So guys, I'm very impressed. This is definitely gonna work great at our garage. Very nice unit. Very, very nice.